Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing tutorial. Today I will show you how I create posts for my Instagram and other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. Okay, let me show you how you can easily and simply create attractive posts for your social media platforms. Just open Canva and click on the Create a Design button. But first, let me inform you that there are a lot of templates available on Canva for anything you need. Like if I want an Instagram post quickly without starting from scratch, just type Instagram post here and you will find bundles of Instagram posts which you can easily download and customize with your own color scheme, logo or text before posting it on your account. However, if you prefer to create it from scratch, let me show you how you can do that. Click on this button and you will find presets for an Instagram post. Click here and a blank canvas will open up for you. Now let's start making a post. You can see how quickly and easily I find all the elements, images, and text styles to create a beautiful post. Experiment with different templates, design, and ideas to keep your feed fresh and exciting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.